Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can get a Tesco Club card in Ireland. So, let's get started. If you live in Ireland and want to save money on your groceries and everyday shopping, getting a Tesco Club card is a smart move. The Club card is completely free and it allows you to earn points on your purchases that can be redeemed for discounts, special offers, and even rewards with Tesco partners. To begin, open any web browser on your phone or computer, such as Chrome or Safari, and go to the official Tesco Ireland website. Once the home page loads, look for the MY account option, usually at the top right corner of the page. If you already have a Tesco Ireland account, you can simply log in with your existing email and password. But if you don't have an account yet, you will need to create a new one before you can get your Club card. To register, click on Register. You will be asked to provide an email address and create a secure password. Below the registration fields, you should see an option that says something like Join Club Card. It's free and saves you money. Make sure you check or select this option so that your Club card is set up at the same time as your Tesco Ireland account. Next, fill in your personal details, including your first name, last name, mobile phone number, and your address in Ireland. Tesco Ireland may also ask you about your preferences for receiving marketing emails or offers. You can choose whether you want to receive these, but even if you opt out, you can still use your Club card. Once you've completed all the required fields, click on Create Account. Tesco will then send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and click on the verification link to confirm your account. After verification, your Tesco Club card will be fully active. You can then start using your Club card both online at tesco.ie and in-store at any Tesco location in Ireland. Every time you shop and present your Club card, you'll earn points based on how much you spend. Over time, these points can be used for discounts at checkout, savings on fuel, or special vouchers that give you extra value on future purchases. Tesco Ireland also runs regular Club card promotions, so it's a good idea to check the Tesco app or website often to make sure you're taking full advantage of the offers available to you. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.